connector. With these two pentalobe screws removed, we want to utilize a suction cup on the front face of our screen closest to our home button. Once we have a small bit of separation created, you'll notice we used our fingernail to continue that separation to allow our display assembly to be lifted up and reveal our iPhone's internals. There is a small metal cover protecting the connections for our display assembly. Go ahead and remove the 3 Phillips screws that are securing it into place. And once that protective plate is removed, you'll notice the 3 connections for our display assembly that we can gently pry up on, and it should now be free for removal. With our display assembly separated from the rest of our iPhone, we can now bring our attention to changing out our home button. Remove the 2 Phillips screws that are securing the home button backplate to the back of our display assembly. Be cautious when peeling up our home button assembly, as it is secured with a small amount of adhesive. Your home button assembly consists of 2 pieces, which is the button itself and the back plate. If your replacement part does not come with the home button back plate,